Hey everybody, I am going to pour over this painting that I did a while back. I held on to it for a while to see if it would grow on me, and it hasn't. There are parts of it I like, but more that I don't, and I think it's the colors. There's just not enough contrast in it. So it will be going bye-bye. I will be doing a mallet smash. I don't know if I already said that. This is going to be kind of a quick video. I just looked at the clock and I didn't realize how late it was getting. So if you have questions, please check out my description in the video, because there are links that will take you to how I mix the paint, this washing machine pan I use, which is on Amazon, and lots of other questions. And I do have 500 and some videos, so if you don't find the answer here, you'll probably find it in one of those. So yeah, I have absolutely no idea how time got so far away from me. I was listing paintings on Etsy, so I think that's where I lost a whole bunch of time, taking the pictures and so on. And I'm going to use the colors that I used at the end of my last video. I may just do one big one because I will be spreading it out. I don't think I will keep it looking like a mallet smash. And that was fluorescent blue, and the other was Artist Loft Aqua Green. This is Artist Loft Metallic Purple. And this next one is Artist Loft Yellow Green. And all of them mixed with Floetrol and water. I may have used too much paint on too little of a canvas. And I think I've already decided I am switching it into a twist and swirl. So bye-bye mallet smash. Hello, twist and swirl. Mallet smashes are really difficult on small canvases. This doesn't really have enough color for me either. have the Beatles' Eleanor Rigby stuck in my head all day today. And it's in my head right now. It's kind of driving me insane. It's such an intrusive song in my head. There are some cells developing in here. Trying to decide. Just toss that little bit of blue in there right there. Don't know if I like that blue. I don't. I like what's happening up there though. So you can tell I'm having issues with this one. I'm gonna get it. And I think I got it. Pretty happy with it. So those are the colors, and then those were them at the bottom. So now we're back. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.